Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make balsamic caviar through the use of molecular gastronomy. So molecular gastronomy is the use of science and food to create something that it's not. So you only need 3 ingredients to make balsamic caviar. You need balsamic vinegar, agar agar, and oil. And if you don't know what agar is, it is a vegetable gelatin substitute. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to take a tall cup and fill that with your oil and stick that in the freezer for about 30 minutes to an hour. Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to get my pot and I'm going to put the balsamic vinegar inside the pot. And so the measurement that you want for this is 2/3 of a cup. So we're just going to pour that into our pot. Then we're going to take our pot and put that away for a second. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is get your kitchen scale out, and then you're going to add 2 grams of agar. Perfect right there. Alright, next what you're going to do is turn your stove on with the balsamic in your pot, and then you're going to throw your agar in to the pot and grab a whisk. Just kind of slowly mix that in. And then we're going to wait for this to boil, and as soon as it's done boiling, then that's when we know it's good. Alright, so now that we're starting to boil, I'm going to turn that off and then go get the oil. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take the agar, and I have a syringe right here that I use for just this purpose, but it's a glass syringe that holds hot temperatures. So I just kind of fill up the syringe with all of the balsamic. Then what I do is I just kind of slowly drip all the balsamic in different areas so they come out in little balls, and as soon as they hit the cold oil, they instantly form into tiny little balls. Alright, and then once you're done, you should have them just kind of all sitting at the bottom of your oil mixture. So then what you do is you go over to the sink and you can strain them out and rinse them off. Alright, so now, like I said, they're all in the bottom of the oil that's just kind of sitting there right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to strain off all of the excess oil. So we're just going to pour all the oil into our strainer. Then all of our little caviars come out. You need to get a little spoon and just kind of scoop them out. And when you're rinsing them off, you want to use cold water, because if you use hot water, then it's just going to bring them back up to their melting point and they will all melt. Now, something that I like to do for a nice light snack is take a little piece of sourdough, put some cheese on there, then you get some of your caviar and you just kind of stick it on top, and it makes a very nice little snack. Now, some other uses that you can do with this is you can use the same method and use sriracha instead of balsamic to give your food a little bit more of a presentation instead of just drizzling hot sauce all over your food. But yeah, I mean, it really does look like caviar. It tastes really good too. I hope you like this video. The super basic and easy introduction into molecular gastronomy.